Fired up, man. Rev it up a little bit. Okay. Well, that whining noise was a classic power steering pump sound, but we replaced the power steering pump yesterday, and that was not the problem. So, back to the drawing board. And we bought a mechanic stethoscope and kind of deduced that it's the alternator. So went and got a new alternator, and that's what we're going to go ahead and replace today. But we're also going to check these other pulleys, the tensioner pulley and the idle pulley, because they sounded a little whiny too, but definitely from the alternator made the higher pitched noise that you heard in the first of the video. I guess that was it. The alternator all along. Thought it was a power steering pump, but it wasn't. All right.